How to fix Telegram unable to play video issue. So if you want to fix the Telegram unable to play video issue, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Telegram application. Once you open up your Telegram, now go with the upper left, which has that three-bar icon. Tap on settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and tap on data and storage. Under data and storage, now make sure that your automatic media download options are turned on. So make sure that these three options are turned on, and then you need to scroll down, and under streaming you will have stream videos and audio files, and make sure that this option is also turned on. And once you turn on all of these options, now you can go back and then you can try playing a video, and you'll be able to fix that problem. Or you just need to simply check the internet connection. If you have a stable internet connection, then you will be able to fix that problem. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.